Hi everybody, great news. We're heading back to the Netherlands on the 5th of December for our third consecutive tour, Celtic Steps and Irish Christmas, and cannot wait. Really looking forward to performing, I guess, and hopping up and do a couple of steps if I'll be able to keep up with this gang here, fingers crossed. We have very strong ticket sales all over the Netherlands. We're looking forward to packed houses in some of their beautiful theatres. But moreover, our crew here are just buzzing in rehearsals to get going again. We've added in some new numbers, we've changed some of the songs, we've just got a real Christmas vibe, but we're maintaining the core of our strong Irish culture, Irish music, song and dance. It's going to be a fantastic tour. The people, the country just really are a very, very good fit with us, and from a cultural point of view, very, very excited. Looking forward to heading back to the Netherlands for what is a 21-city whirlwind tour, culminating in our final concert in Rotterdam on the 30th of December 2024.